father and sons. Pero yung isa, kumakain lang.
Why did it have to end this way? Only a fool like me could say to you, if I ever
Had a line to heaven, I swear I'd call you there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there.
Where would I be without you now? Yet I have to make it through this life somehow. Only time will tell me so. All the things I need to know somehow.
If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll call you there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear
I'll be there. How do I find the answer
to all the questions I've been hiding inside.
and all the fun and laughter shared? I have to set aside. Of course.